All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. In today's video, I have a very special guest. First name Issa, last name Box. Today we are doing an unboxing. Yes. Do I know what's in the box? Somewhat. I kind of know what's in the box, man, because I got a message like, hey, Big Beard B, we're going to send you something. Who's sending this to me? This comes from the good people over at Guerlain. And I think this is I know this is their 2018 release, L'Homme Ideal Intense. So, I don't know what it smells like. We're gonna open it up. I figured I'd just do this on camera with you guys, give you my first impression, my first takes, and let you guys know what I think. So, what was good for you guys today, man? What did you do today? Did you do anything exciting? Today, the family and I, we went to go see the new Jurassic Park movie, whatever it's called, man. That was pretty dope. It's not today that you're watching the video. It's just this video is gonna come out at a later date. So, how you doing, Issa Box? You know, welcome to the channel. These people out here just want to see you get crushed, okay? What you mean you don't want to get crushed? You don't have a choice, because it's my channel, and I do what I want to do. Pardon me, guys. So here you go, man. Guerlain L'Homme Ideal Intense Eau de Parfum. All right, it's here, man. It's here. Ooh. 2018 release. I believe this came out in the springtime. We're now officially in the summer. So hopefully this is a spring and summer type scent. Otherwise, you picked the wrong time of the year to come out. Let's see. That's your box. It's paper. And here's your bottle. Bottle is kind of corny. Bottle's kind of cheesy, but it is what it is. There you go. L'Homme Ideal on the front and the back. Just on the front, like L'Homme Ideal Intense by Guerlain. Black bottle, black top, chrome silver atomizer. See how it smells. That's what really matters. Good spray. I'll let you guys see that. My wife is sitting over there in the corner. She likes it so far. It's up her alley. This one has like a very woody, kind of spicy, like a woody spicy vibe to it. It's light enough to wear during the spring and summer. I can see why they would bring it out. But I also think you could probably pull this one off in fall depending on the performance. And obviously this is the Eau de Parfum, so you could probably pull it off in the fall as well. Got some sweetness in here. I'm gonna look up the notes here. See what they got. Give me a second. All right, so their website wasn't super helpful in terms of getting the notes here, but what they did say it had was hot pepper, tonka bean, and spicy notes. So there's some spicy accords in here, but also get some woody nuances here and a little bit of sweetness. Obviously the sweetness probably comes from the tonka bean. Boom. I like it, man. I think this is a nice fragrance. I definitely need to get some wearings in on it to see how it performs, see what the compliment factor is like. Obviously the missus says she's digging it. Hashtag a lot. Again, man, this one was sent to me. The fragrance smells nice. The bottle is kind of corny. Listen, see, you guys don't know this, right? But like, detail is, I need the details, right? And you guys can't see this, but the sticker on there is like slightly off-centered, and I feel like that should not occur. But aside from that, man, this is all good. Good fragrance. It's a modern bottle. The missus says this one reminds her of our headboard on our bed, man. So maybe this is like subconsciously telling you you'll be blowing some backs out. But no, man, very interesting thing it says on their website about this one. It says the ideal man is a myth, but his fragrance is a reality. Any ladies watching this, what is the ideal man? I have a lot of men that watch this and they want to know. They'll be reading through the comments, skimming. So make sure you write that down below. Make sure they understand. Help the ideal man become a reality as well, because according to Guerlain, he is a myth. So what else can I tell you about this fragrance, man? It's definitely a masculine scent, and obviously with the name like L'Homme Ideal Intense, it should be. As it's drying down now, I'm getting a little bit of smoky nuances here, a little bit smoky accord, but again, it's still good for the spring and summer so far. It's still spicy, still woody, still get that sweetness from the tonka bean. I like this one a lot. I'll probably put it in rotation this week to see what type of compliment factor it gets. I know it is available in Sephora, so if you're looking for a fragrance that is masculine, it's manly, it's sweet, but still spicy, woody. It's not too heavy, not too light, and is likely to perform well. Then go ahead and get your nose on this one. If you already have it, comment below and let me know your thoughts on this one. So far, I'm digging it. The missus is digging it. I'll be back with everything. Official review coming soon. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And ideally, you hit the goddamn